Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up SCALA IDE and how to start programming in Spark. So if you have not seen my last video on setting up Spark on Windows, then please go through it. It's just a small video and we need to set up our Spark on Windows before starting to work on SCALA IDE. So let's start this video. And first of all, we need to download our SCALA IDE. So this is the link of the website, download IDE, and you will get the IDE downloaded in some zip folder. Okay, so right click and extract there with the help of any WinRAR or unzip software. Okay, if you don't have any software, then you can download the WinRAR, and that also I have mentioned in my previous video. Okay, so after downloading this, we will extract and we will get these files. So in SCALA IDE, nothing to do like installation, just we need to double click eclipse.exe file and our Eclipse will be launched. So no need to come here again and again. We can directly create a shortcut on the desktop, and on the desktop the shortcut will be created and we can directly use from there. So let's start. Okay, just double click SCALA IDE, it will be launched, and we need to mention here what workspace we will be using. So any folder on your hard disk you can set up. Okay, it will launch, and after that we will start our new Spark program. Okay, so Eclipse is launched. Now our Spark project we will be set up. So it will be SCALA project. Okay, so new SCALA project. Okay, just give any name, learn Spark. Okay, just finish. Fine. Now for running our Spark application, we need to import the jars from our Spark folder, whatever we have created in the last video. Okay, so we will be using that. So right click on the project. I'm right clicking here, properties, Java build path. Here in the libraries, add external jars and the Spark folder whatever you have made. Okay, if you are not clear about this step, just go to my last video, and there we made one Spark folder in computer C drive Spark. Okay, here we have the jar folder, jars. So whatever jars we are having, just Control A, open. So all these jars will be imported in our project. Apply and close. Okay, so you should be able to see all jars here in reference libraries. Now go to src, make a new package, yeah, okay, home dot any name you can give. Okay, let's give it com.spark. Deepak, my name I'm giving. Okay, now I'm making new SCALA object, and it's our first program. So let's give first program. Okay, this is the name. Okay, so our new SCALA object will be created. Here we can do our programming. So let's see whether our program is working or not. Okay, here I am seeing that error 33, what it is showing. Okay, so it is showing the difference in the Scala version. Okay, so here in the project we have selected the Scala 2.1.2, which is not supported by Spark actually. Even the latest version it's supporting just 2.11. okay, so let's change our Scala version. Right click, okay, and in the properties here we should have Scala compiler. Okay, use project setting and just select this 2.1.1. okay, apply and close. Okay, so these things should go. If you want to revisit, just right click, properties, Scala compiler, and just change this property, apply and close. Everything is gone. Now only one warning is there. Okay, so then that we can handle. So let's start with some like word count, or like let's start with a very small program and count the words of any file. Okay, so this is our package. Let's import our Spark packages. Import org.apache.spark. We need to import Apache Spark and Spark context. Okay. Why did showing error? It's something capital or something. Let's see. Space there and spelling mistake. Let's check. Apache Spark. Yeah. Okay. So these are the packages we need to import. Okay, so and let's import another package that is for logging. This log4j. This we will be using to divert the logs. Basically whatever log we will be getting, that will be diverted to the console. So we will be getting a lot of other stuffs which we do not need at the time of running of the program. So we will be using this log4j to get, just if some error is coming, then it should show in the console, otherwise just result should be shown. So first program, let's define our main. Okay, so it's the main method. Like Java, we have the public static void main. Like here also we will be defining our main so that it will be the entry point for our program. Any args of array type, array of string, and we will be doing our coding inside these things. So first of all, let's define one Spark context. Well, sc equal to new. Well, this is basically the value which should not be changed, that is in Scala that is given as val, and variable as with the name var. So that's this Scala thing. No need to be confused about these things. These things are very easy, and we'll be covering that also in one of video. Well, sc new Spark context Spark context is basically entry point for our Spark, and the configuration from the configuration files will be loaded here. Okay, we can override also here with the local parameter. We are going to local star. We are going to tell the program that use every core of CPU. Okay, because we are not running as of now on the cluster, we are just running the program on our local machine, so every core of our local CPU should be used, and give any name. Okay, let's give it first program. So this is the name of our Spark context. Now let's make RDD and let's read some file. Okay, on our machine, sc dot, so some text file, and we need to just give the path of our text file here within the codes. So let's see, let's take any file. Okay, let's in the C, in any folder, like we have this file. Okay, so I'm just copying the path. Slash will be this one, not the backslash. I'm just copying the name from here. Oh, what's the name? Let's count the word of this file. So L count equal to RDD. We are using this well, and we are just counting. Okay, so basically we are just counting. We have read one file. Okay, and we are counting the words. How many words this file is containing, and println count. Let's take this thing, count each. Okay, so some description also will be there. Yeah, and as we so our program is ready. Okay, but there were lots of stuff will be diverted to the console, so we will be using logger to just see any error or just result on the console. Okay, so we'll be using get logger. Just give anything here, org, and set level method will be there. Okay, so we are good here. Just Control S will be run. So we'll be setting up for run configuration. So here we'll be using our package and the class name, main name, object run configuration. It's already there. I have made. Okay, so just for showcasing you, I'll be making again. Just okay, just run configuration, Scala application, double click here, just give the name of the package here and name of the main class, first program, and here we can give any name, and this is our project name, learn Spark. Apply, run. So our result should come here. Okay, so count is 103. So congratulations, your Spark is working and your first program is ready. So in the next sessions we will be covering the programming in the Spark with the help of Eclipse. So our environment is settled up and our Eclipse is also set. So congratulations, thank you, see you in next video. Thank you.